Today, I'm diving into the challenge of healing my relationships using emotionally focused therapy techniques. Let's see if I can really transform my connections. Today, we're diving into emotionally focused therapy, a powerful approach that can transform your relationships and help you reconnect with your loved ones. Many people struggle with communication and emotional intimacy in their relationships, leading to misunderstandings and conflict. This can be really frustrating, especially when we feel like we're not being heard or understood. We might try to talk to our partner, but it always seems to end in an argument or feelings of resentment. It's like we're stuck in a cycle of negativity, and we don't know how to break free. Communication problems can be especially tough when we're trying to navigate different emotional needs. For example, one partner might need more emotional validation, while the other needs more independence. If we're not careful, these differences can become major sources of conflict. It's like we're speaking different languages, and we don't know how to translate our needs into a language our partner can understand. These communication challenges can also make us feel really alone, even when we're in a relationship. It's like we're two separate entities, living parallel lives instead of truly connecting with each other. This can lead to feelings of sadness, anger, and resentment, which can be really damaging to our relationship. But what if we could break free from this cycle of negativity and connect with our partner on a deeper level? What if we could understand each other's emotional needs and respond in a way that fosters love, trust, and connection? We'll explore the core principles of emotionally focused therapy, including how it helps couples identify their emotional needs and fosters a secure bond between partners. At its core, emotionally focused therapy is about understanding and responding to our partner's emotional needs in a way that builds trust and connection. This can be really powerful, especially when we're feeling stuck or uncertain in our relationship. By using emotionally focused therapy, couples can learn to recognize and respond to each other's emotional cues. This can help us feel seen, heard, and understood in a way that builds intimacy and connection. It's like we're speaking the same language, and we can finally understand each other's needs. One of the most powerful things about emotionally focused therapy is that it helps us identify the root causes of our conflicts. Instead of just arguing about superficial issues, we can get to the heart of the matter and address the underlying emotional needs that are driving our behavior. This can be really liberating, especially when we're feeling stuck in patterns of conflict. Imagine realizing that your partner's anger stems from fear of abandonment. This insight can change the dynamics of your relationship for the better. Suddenly, their behavior makes sense, and we can respond in a way that addresses their underlying needs. This can lead to a deeper sense of connection and understanding, and can even help us resolve conflicts more effectively. Through emotionally focused therapy, we can learn to recognize and respond to our partner's emotional needs in a way that builds trust and connection. This can be really empowering, especially when we're feeling stuck or uncertain in our relationship. We can finally understand each other's needs and respond in a way that fosters love, trust, and connection. Imagine being able to navigate conflicts with ease, knowing that we're coming from a place of love and understanding. Imagine feeling seen, heard, and understood by our partner, and being able to respond to their needs in a way that builds intimacy and connection. This is what emotionally focused therapy can offer us, a deeper sense of connection, empathy, and understanding. In summary, emotionally focused therapy offers tools to enhance emotional connection, helping you and your partner move from conflict to understanding. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on relationship tips and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates.